Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question modulus of x minus 2 equal to x plus 1, and we will solve this question, but remember, we not only will solve this question but we will explain some conceptual points, and with this I will show you the graph of this equation. So please stay with us to understand this question completely and conceptually. So we will start the solution of this question, but before going to solution, how we read this value. So we can write this value as the absolute value of x minus 2. This is a way of reading this. We can also read this as a modulus of x minus 2 or modulus x minus 2. And similarly, we can also read as the distance between x and 2, because this is basically the distance. So the distance between x and 2. So these are some ways of reading or understanding these modulus, because many students do not understand the meaning of this modulus or absolute value. And with this, there is also a regional or national or international difference. In many countries, it is read as in different ways, like in Pakistan, in India, in UK, and other different countries. So all are the correct form. If you read this, the absolute value of x minus 2 is correct. If you read modulus of x minus 2 is correct, and if you read as a modulus x minus 2 is correct, and as well as the distance between x and 2 is also correct, which is the understanding way of this x minus 2. So anyway, let's start the solution of this question. So in this question we have two cases, because when the absolute value involved, so we take this absolute value as in two cases. Case one is when x minus 2 is greater or equal to 0. So in this case, it means that x is greater than 2. So in this case, we will have x minus 2 equal to x plus 1. That is the absolute value of x minus 2 equal to x plus 1. And now x minus 2 equal to x plus 1, basically we have taken this as greater than 0, like I have defined in case 1. So now this x will cancel this x. So we have finally minus 2, which is not equal to 1 plus 1. So it means that no solution is possible in this case. So in this case, we have no solution of this equation. Now let's study case 2. So in case 2, when we have x minus 2 is less than 0. So if we have x minus 2 is less than 0, that is x is less than, sorry, uh, we can say that x is less than 2. So x minus 2 is less than 0, or you can say x is less than 2. So in this case, we will take this value x minus 2 in negative. So it means that we can write this when we multiply with minus. So we can say, or we can write, this will become minus x and this will become plus. So which is equal to x plus 1. And now we will shift this x here, so it will become minus 2x, because minus x and this minus x will become minus 2x, and we will shift this 2 on this side, so it will become 1 minus 2. So here we have minus 1, and here minus 2x, and after this we will divide both sides by minus 2. So after dividing by minus 2, we have x equal to 1 over 2. So this is the solution of this question, x equal to 1 over 2. This is the solution. And now, as I told in the start, that I will show you guys graph as well. So this is the graph of this given equation. This is the graph for the line x plus 1, and this is the graph of x minus 2. So look over here, we have the solution of this question x equal to zero point 0.5. So this is your zero point 0.5, which is on x-axis, and on y-axis it is equal to 1.5. 1.5. How? Look, if you put for y-axis to determine y-axis, so we have y equal to x plus 1 according to our question. So put x equal to 0.5 over here. So zero point 0.5 plus 1 will become 1.5. So your y coordinate is equal to 1.5. So this is the point of intersection where these two lines x minus 2 and x plus 1 uh, intersects each other. So this is the point of intersection, which is 1 divided by 2 or 0 0.5, and y equal to 1.5. And how you can get from here with this line, the blue line basically, which is from x minus 2, from equation x minus 2. So this blue line intersect this y-axis on point 2, y at point 2. Look at this equation x minus 2. So if we put x minus 2, so if you put uh, x equal to 0 for y-intercept, so this will become y equal to 2 because it is inside the modulus, and any value inside the modulus, either positive or negative, result out in positive value. So this will become 2. So therefore this line intersect this y-axis on point 2. And now why this green line, that is the x plus 1 line, why this intercept at point 1? So because if you find out y, so y equal to x plus 1, and you will put x equal to 0 over here. Why you will put x equal to 0? Because on y-intercept we always put x equal to 0. Look over here. Here we have x equal to 0. So if you put x equal to 0 in this, so we will have y equal to 1. So that's why this line intersect this y-axis at point 1. Look over here. And this line x minus 2 intersect this y-axis at point 2, because if you put x equal to 0 over here, so you will get 2. So this was the another point. With the understanding purpose, I have determined over here the y uh, the value of y coordinate from here. So you can say y equal to x plus 1, and if you put x equal to 0 0.5, which is our solution, so then you will get 1.5. So this 0 0.5 and 1.5 is your point of intersection. And with this, we have taken the range of graph range is from -2 to 5. So this is -2 and 5. This was our graph. So what we learn from here, from this graph, if you have x minus 2 greater than 2, or you can say that x is greater than 2, so you have no point of intersection or no solution for this, which was our case number 1. So you can see over here, this line is going away from this x-axis, and there is no solution for any value which is for any value of x which is greater than 2. So this was the graph, about the graph of the given equation. I hope you will have understand this graph. If you have any kind of question, you can ask. And in the last, I will tell you some definition of modulus or absolute value as distance. So this, if you have absolute value of a, it means that distance of a from 0 on the number line. So if you have number line on x-axis, so this any value, for example, a, x, y, any variable, it means that its distance from 0. and it is always non-negative and never negative. Why? Because when come out of the modulus, it will become modulus, so it will become positive. For example, if you have absolute value of 5 will be equal to 5. So it means that 5 units away from 0 to the right. On the right side, as you know, we take positive values. So it means what it shows? It shows that this is on the right side of number line and 5 unit away from 0. And if you write this -3, so this -3 when come out of the this modulus, so it will become 3. It will be positive, but it means that this is 3 unit away from 0 on the left side. That is 3 unit away from 0 to the left. So although these both when positive or negative when come out of the root, because it is distance and you cannot tag distance as negative, but the meaning is different. If you have positive value, it means it is on the right side of 0, and if you have any negative value, it means that it is on the left side of the number line. So if you have x minus a, so it means that distance of x from a, distance of x from a, and in the start, as I told you that you can read this x minus 2, distance between x and 2, distance between x and 2. So this was why I read in the start that x minus 2 can also be read as distance between x and 2. So I hope you will have understand all these conceptual points and the graph of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.